I've got a lot of wood scattered all over the shop which I need to sort through, so one section at a time I pile it up on my workbench and decide whether to keep or bin. I trim off old dovetail joints and generally tidy up any keepable scraps. Here I remove lengths from this wall as I contemplate where to put the brackets before deciding to move them across to the other wall, but I'll come back to this later on. I continue to work through my various wood deposits. This area in particular hasn't been looked at in nearly a year, and I'm amazed at some of the pointless scraps that I actually keep. In an ideal world I'd keep more, but I'm in such a small workshop I need to maximise every available inch. I decide this little shelving area will be an excellent choice to house some of my smaller power tools. They were previously hidden away, but here I'll be able to grab and go. But I still had all this scrap wood to put away. I decide this partition is largely redundant. And I add some polycarbonate sheeting to avoid wood spilling out of the side. And then I proceed to stock up the various areas. I decide to add a lip here to stop any wood falling off the shelf. Then it was time to relocate the brackets, but decided that point was too intrusive and dangerous right by the door, so I sawed it off. I make sure they're all straight and attach the first one. By putting the brackets here, all my longer lengths of wood can be kept on the same side of the workshop. Like I'm blowing. It's not that it's hard work, I'm just blowing away the sawdust so I can clearly see the cut line. Now this ply box here previously housed scrap wood, but 18mm ply like this in my workshop is considered fine timber. So I thought it would make a good cabinet for glue, varnishes and just a few other bits and bobs that tend to be scattered around and in the way. And because this was the exact width, I knew I could make a base and two shelves from what was previously the back. Or the front, whichever way around you're looking at it. Cutting this up into 3 separate pieces now meant that the pocket holes were random, so I put a few extra in. I mean, I really like using pocket holes, but I'm less enamoured with their square heads. The bit on the square bit seems to wear in my experience, and I'm not sure why they can't just be a regular posi head. So I glue and screw in the base. I'll keep the stickers on because they were the sort that couldn't be removed without the help of industrial solvent. Again, not sure why stickers on sheet material seem to be like this and can't be peeled off easily, but that's how it goes, I suppose. I also ripped some thin strips of wood here to trim out and hide the ply grain on the cabinet. And glue and pin these on. Since building this workshop, I have to say I've never known a place where I walk in and instantly feel at peace. It's a very special place for me, so keeping it tidy and making these small improvements means something. It's more than just a quick shift around and a tidy up. It's like a cleansing of the soul. Here I decided to give the cabinet a coat of water-based varnish. And I attached this hook to hang my PPE on. I recently bought 5 of these trays for about £7 with the intention of filling with mineral oil and batch dipping coasters, but I changed my mind here and realised that they make nice little shelves. And this is what it looked like. A good relaxing day in the workshop. Thanks for watching.